मोस्ट एस्पिरेंट सेज कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, रिसोर्सेस नहीं है, गाइडेंस नहीं है. But what if I tell you an IAS officer built a 100-kilometer road without government funding? No budget, no system, no excuses. This is the story of Armstrong Pame, a young IAS officer posted in one of the most remote regions of Manipur. No proper roads, no connectivity, villages completely cut off. Now imagine this. Sick person has to travel for hours, sometimes days, children walking through mud just to reach school. And this was not inconvenience, this was isolation. Now here is the real question. What would most officers do in this situation? Average mindset will wait for approval, file request, blame system. And right mindset took ownership and asked, what can I do now? He didn't say funds नहीं है, कुछ नहीं हो सकता. He asked a different question. Without funds, what is still possible? And he started something unbelievable, that is crowdfunding. Mobilizing villagers, using personal networks, step by step. No machines, no big contractors, just people and intent. And they built a 100-kilometer road. This is not a story about road. This is a story about a mental model which tells you about ownership versus dependency. Most aspirants operate from dependency mindset. Coaching मिलेगा तो पढ़ूंगा, right environment होगा तो ही focus आएगा. But top performer they operate from ownership. जो है उसी से start करता हूँ. Perfect नहीं है फिर भी एक्शंस लेता हूँ. Let's understand this from a brain science. Your brain is designed to avoid uncertainty, seek comfort, delay actions. This is your amygdala in working, which is protecting you but also limiting you. But high performer, they train their brain to act despite discomfort. Now let's make this practical. What you should do from today. First, kill the perfect condition mindset. Start even if environment is not ideal. Second, daily ownership check and ask yourself, आज मैं क्या कंट्रोल कर सकता हूँ. Third, output over mood. Study even when you don't feel like it. You don't become an IAS officer after clearing the exam. You clear the exam because you already think like one. Responsibility, action, ownership. This is not optional. So if you are serious about your preparation, then understand this clearly. You don't need more information. You need mental conditioning. And that is exactly what we train inside my system. And if you want to build focus, consistency, mental strength through practical, no-nonsense methods, then subscribe to this channel. Because here we don't give motivation, we build mindset systems. Subscribe and start preparing like a serious aspirant. Thank you.